In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the definition of acceleration to derive the first equation of motion in physics. So let's go. By definition, you can simply say that acceleration can be defined as the time rate of change of velocity. In this definition, you must look for three things. Number one, acceleration. Number two, time. And number three, velocity. So mathematically, if we want to derive the first equation from this definition, acceleration, which is A, equals change in velocity, delta V, divided by time. Can you see that? Let me simplify this for you further. Acceleration, as you can see, the small letter A is gotten from acceleration itself. Then delta V is gotten from change of velocity. Can you see that? Delta is a Greek alphabet. Then we have time, and of course it's gotten from time. So delta V simply means final velocity minus initial velocity, which is V minus U. So we'll substitute that into delta V. Anywhere we see delta V, we'll write V minus U. So A equals V minus U over T. Our goal is to make V the subject of the formula. So we cross multiply so that A multiplies T and is equal to V minus U. Can you see this? So we'll make V the subject of the formula so that negative U will move to the other side. So V equals U plus AT. This gives us the first equation of motion. For more simpler method using the triune concept, since you can see that this formula has V, has U, and has AT, we term this as the triune concept. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on this. Let's quickly interpret each parameter. Here, our A means acceleration in meters per second squared. Then our V means final velocity in meters per second. Our U means initial velocity in meters per second. And then our T means time in seconds. Thank you. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.